Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the types of amino acid on the basis of alkyl group or R group. Into the last lecture we have to already discuss about the basic structure of amino acid. So there is no any change into the basic structure of amino acid, only change into the R group or alkyl group. So on the basis of R group or alkyl group, the specific amino acids are classified into the 20 standard amino acids. So it is an basic or general structure of amino acid, that is it is amino acid general structure. It is the general structure of amino acid. It is a alpha carbon. Alpha carbon consists one end with the amino terminal, that is a amino group NH3. At the one end, that is a carboxylic acid COO minus. At the one, that is a one hydrogen atom, and at the other end, that is a alkyl group. So the only change into the alkyl group and basic structure of amino acid is always same in each and every amino acid, only change into the R group. So R stands for the alkyl group. So on the basis of this alkyl group, these amino acids are classified into the 20 standard amino acids. Also on the basis of their characteristics or properties, these are classified into the 5 basic categories. One, that is a non-polar aliphatic amino acid. Second one, that is a polar uncharged. Third one, that is a aromatic amino acid. Fourth one, that is a basic amino acid, or basic or positively charged. And last one, that is a acidic or negatively charged amino acids. So that is the first one category, first one type of amino acid, that is a non-polar aliphatic amino acid. These are basically non-polar aliphatic, that is aliphatic chain, and these are the basic amino acids. So these are GAPVLIM, that is a G stands for glycine, A stands for alanine, P stands for proline, V stands for valine, L stands for leucine, I stands for isoleucine, and M stands for the methionine. So glycine, alanine, proline, valine, leucine, isoleucine, and methionine. And also the specific amino acid, these are the 3-letter codes are like GLY, ALA, PRO, VAL, LEU, and methionine. These are the specific first category or first type, that is a non-polar aliphatic amino acid. These are the specific amino acid. These are basically non-polar, and their R group or aliphatic chains are present. So they are the first one type of amino acid, that is a non-polar aliphatic amino acid. Then next one, that is second type, that is a polar uncharged amino acids. So into the polar uncharged amino acids, it is the second one type. It is a polar uncharged. Basically all amino acids are polar, but these are the uncharged, no any specific charge is present. These are S, T, C, N, Q. It is STCNQ. S stands for serine, T stands for threonine, C stands for cysteine, N stands for asparagine, Q stands for glutamine. Serine, the 3-letter code of serine, that is SER, threonine, that is a THR, cysteine, that is a CYS, asparagine, that is a ASN, glutamine, that is a GLN. So polar uncharged, S stands for serine, T stands for threonine, C stands for cysteine, N stands for asparagine, Q stands for glutamine, and 3-letter code are SER, THR, CYS, ASN, and GLN. That is the second one type. It is a polar uncharged amino acid. First one type, that is a non-polar. So it is a B, polar uncharged. First one non-polar aliphatic amino acid. Second one, that is a polar uncharged amino acids. Then C, the type C, that is aromatic amino acids. Aromatic amino acids. Aromatic amino acid that consists the benzene ring. Benzene ring is present. So aromatic acids are F, Y, W. F stands for phenylalanine. Y stands for tyrosine, and W stands for tryptophan. So phenylalanine, that is a 3-letter code, PHE, TYR, and TRP, that is a tryptophan. So the specific FYW, F phenylalanine, Y tyrosine, W tryptophan, PHE, TYR, and TRP. These are the 3-letter codes. Then the fourth one type, or D, that is a basic or positively charged amino acids. Basic or positively charged amino acid. So these are basic, and they are the charge carries, that is a positive one, that is a K, H, and R. K stands for lysine, H for histidine, and R for arginine. The 3-letter code, that is a lysine, histidine, HIS, and ARG, that is a arginine. These are the basic or positively charged amino acids. And then E, or last one type, that is a acidic or negatively charged amino acids. Acidic or negatively charged amino acids. So acidic or negatively charged, these are two types, that is K, D, and E. D stands for aspartate or aspartic acid, and E stands for glutamic acid. D stands for aspartic acid, and E stands for glutamic acid, that is ASP, and that is GLU, that is a glutamic acid. The 3-letter code, that is a glutamic acid, and ASP for aspartic acid. These are both negatively charged or acidic amino acid. These are total 20 amino acids are classified into the 5 basic categories on the basis of alkyl group. So into that, the specific types of amino acid on the basis of alkyl group or R group. Why these are specific amino acids are classified on the basis of alkyl group? Because the all amino acids or general structure or basic structure of all amino acid is same, only change into the alkyl group. So because of this, the general structure of amino acid is like this. This specific amino acid that consists, one end is the amino terminal, one end is the carboxylic terminal, and at the one end it is a hydrogen atom only. At the only changes into the R group. So the all amino acids are basically same, but only change into the alkyl group. So specific amino acids are classified on the basis of R group. These are, first one, non-polar aliphatic amino acids. Non-polar aliphatic amino acids are basically non-polar and aliphatic chain of alkyl group. That is G stands for glycine, A for alanine, P for proline, V for valine, L for leucine, I for isoleucine, M for methionine. So the glycine, the GLY, ALA, PRO, VAL, LEU, ILAU, MET, these are MET. These are the specific amino acids comes under the non-polar aliphatic amino acids. Into the one called, that is a GAPVLIM. GAPVLIM, that is a non-polar aliphatic amino acids. The next one type, that is polar uncharged amino acid. These are all amino acids are polar, and these are uncharged. No any specific charge is present on it. And these are polar. These are soluble in water. That is a serine, threonine, cysteine, asparagine, and glutamine. That is a STCNQ. Into the one single call, that is a STCNQ. SCR, THR, SCYS, SASN, and GLL. That is a serine, threonine, cysteine, asparagine, and glutamine. These are the polar uncharged. Then aromatic amino acids. there a benzene ring is present into the R group, that is FYW, phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan, PHE, TYR, TRP. It is a FYW. These are the aromatic amino acids because benzene ring present into the alkyl group or R group. Then the specific last one, that is a basic or positively charged amino acids. Basic means these are the K stands for lysine, H for histidine, R for arginine. It is a LYS, HIS, ARG. It is a KHR. These are basic or positively charged amino acid. On the R group, that is a positive charge is present. And then acidic or negatively charged amino acid. These are aspartic acid and glutamic acid. That is single letter code D and E, and the 3-letter code, that is a ASP and GLU respectively. So these are the aspartic acid or commonly known as aspartate and glutamate. Aspartic acid or glutamic acid, commonly known as aspartate or glutamate. So these are the 20 amino acids are classified into the 5 broad categories on the basis of alkyl group. These are the types of amino acid on the basis of alkyl group. So there it is a 20 amino acids are classified into the 5 broad categories. So here completed the classification of amino acid on the basis of alkyl group or R group. Thank you.